I want to go over the different types of bags that we have for gardening. This is one that's pretty unique, and this is our what I call bucket bag. And if you've seen these before, some people call them parachute bags. They've got outside holes and then inside holes for bigger tools. So you can take your clippers, you can take your fine clippers if you want to put them on the outside, and then you can put it in a bucket like this, and you can actually stack them. So if you wanted to put two in there, you could. I use these for my irrigation components. I have different ones for different uses, my seeding tools, all those different bits. And these actually will fit in our large canvas garden bag as well if you want to have inner storage for that. So this is our largest garden bag. It's our most popular product, bar none. It's made of really thick canvas. And if you've bought one of these or felt one of them that comes from Amazon, it's really flimsy. This is not flimsy. It's heavy wax canvas. It's got pockets outside, and it's got a deep inside pocket. And you can see that when you fill it, it lays flat. So it's got a really nice bottom. It's got enough room for inside tools, and then these pockets are also made for outside tools, so you can store them really quickly and easily. One of the nice things about our bags is that if you wanted to put a bucket bag in here for more organization on the inside, you have the ability to do that. So now you've got more pockets than you'd probably ever use. But this is a great one. Like I said, it's our best seller and gets great reviews. This is the final garden bag in our garden bag series. I've shown you the heavy duty canvas tote and then the bucket bag. This is a harvest bag, or what we call a farmer's market bag, and it's a really nice tool or a bag to add to your complement here. And it's got a shoulder strap. It's a really nice canvas shoulder strap, and then it's also got an inner bag liner. So you can see here this is waterproof. So if you go into the market and you want to buy flowers and things that might be wet or dripping, this is actually removable. So you can see you've got 3 snaps up top and some snaps on the other side, and do this snap. You can see you've got a nice bag that you can pull out and take into your kitchen and process, or you can use them as separate bags. And this is great. It's got a phone pocket, pencil or pen pocket, and then a pocket for your snips, and then it actually folds out nicely. So if you wanted to use it for garden tool storage, you can, and it's very nice and easy to carry. So that's our harvest bag or farmer's market bag.